This is Brother Barnes. Let's do a mock practical on the eye anatomy so that we can be ready for a regular practical or a quiz or something like that. The answers are in a link below the video in the video description. And what I'm asking you to do in the comments below, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and tell me what you think the answers are in your mind. I do have a video on YouTube. Just look up eye model and Darrell Barnes, and you should be able to find a video that you could watch to get you ready to do this. Notice that the optic nerve exits kind of medialward. So this is a big left eye, and then this is a smaller right eye. And I put both in here because you might have the big eye or the little eye or both on your practical. We need to be cross-trained for both. So below in the comments, tell me, what is this white outer layer of the eye? Number 1. Number 2, what is this straight muscle on the top of the eye called? Number 3, there is a muscle that's kind of coming at an angle, and this is probably a tendon for that muscle. Tell me the name of that muscle. 4, there is a muscle on the inside of the eyeballs. Tell me the name of that one. It's not on the bottom, it's kind of middle. Remember, if you abbreviate for muscle, you should put M period, just like if it's nerve, N period, or vein, V period, or artery, A period, and the like. Make sure that you specify. 5 is the anterior clear portion of the eye. It's actually part of this outer layer along with number 1. It's just that in the front it's clear. So tell me the name of that clear anterior portion, number 5.